how it goes, guys. But certainly this is a very good case where we are going to see that gold market will be benefited the most coming out from these situations on the market, guys. All right. Okay, so let's wait and let us see how the market has been moving. Okay guys, so without further ado, let us get started. So welcome to our streaming sessions, and with what has been going on the market, I'm still expecting that market will be moving much slower on most of the assets, and right now we are going to see gold market will be moving much better. So that's one of the very first key things I would like to say to you guys. And certainly from the longer time frame, we have been very much certain to see that the gold market will be moving higher and has been able to do so, and prices are going to aim on the higher grounds, breaking out through the higher side here at 3,167. And with this kind of market movement, we are very sure that with this kind of movement, we are expecting that gold prices should remain and continue to go higher forward, guys. Alright, so definitely I'm expecting this kind of market movements, and we'll see how it goes next, guys. Okay, so right now, if you guys take a closer look based on how the market has been moving, we're expecting that the gold market could continue going higher in the long run. There's no doubt about it. But what about on the shorter time frame? So based on what we have really been talking about since yesterday, since our buy area prices has been going up even furthermore, and it has already been hitting around a total of 700 pips, guys. So that is a huge amount since our lower buy area, and prices has been able to maintain so well. So for you guys to see that how prices has been moving, this is a very good indications from the market, showing that with this kind of market movement, we are expecting prices will be moving in that kind of directions if the market allow. Because based on the market movements that we have been seeing, we are starting to see some signs that after breaking out higher with the escalations still ongoing, we are still seeing the possibility that market will be moving higher throughout the midnight, especially the announcement are coming on the midnight side. So since then, we have started to see prices continue going higher on this short-term time frame, guys. Okay, so if I'm drawing to you guys, take a look what is happening on the trend. It has been very clear, guys. Okay, so it turns out we are in this continuations of the uptrend despite prices on the long run has been continuing, but with the continuations from the short term of the time frame. What I mean is with the continuations happening also on the shorter time frame and also happening on the longer time frame, this has actually give us a very good and a strong possibility to see prices to continue to go higher, guys. But for now, since I said that we are also close towards the resistance here at 31.30, and I'm expecting prices to go down a bit slower for now, because based on what I could be seeing right now, there's likely a topping pattern forming out on here on the gold chart on this shorter time frame. After going up too fast, I'm expecting a little bit of healthy correction towards 30.80 or 30.90 plus before continue going higher. But for now, we'll try to track and see how the market movement works. Certainly the price actions are showing the possibility of weaknesses ahead coming to the market, guys. Alright, so I'm seeing this kind of possibility happening on the market with the weaknesses appearing here, guys. Alright, so with this kind of market movement, I'm expecting on the short term there should be a sell area above the top here. Based on the risk reward, based on the most recent market movement, I'm able to see that there's a good chances to see weaknesses appearing on the market. Okay, guys. Alright, so with that, I'm still very much optimistic to see that prices will remain a bit pressured for now, but later on we'll see after hitting the lows, we could be seeing the lower side could be a very good buy area for the market, guys. Okay, so welcome to our live streaming sessions, guys. And if you guys are new, let me introduce myself. My name is Steven. I'm a trend follower or trend trader, if you guys haven't known me yet. And basically what I'm doing on the market is I'm trying to see where are the long-term market trends, but certainly I know that most of you guys are trading on the short run, so definitely I'll be touching on points where how the market is moving on the short term and how the market has been moving on the long run, guys. Okay, and definitely I've already been getting in touch with certain topics on the market where I've already been discussing what could be happening on the long run, what could be happening on the short run on the gold market. And not only I'll be doing just on the gold market, and I'll be also discussing it with you guys on the other markets as well. For example, the silver market, oil market, forex pairs, and also stock indices. So if you guys have the time and you guys wanted to get some insights from the market from me, you guys are welcome to follow my live streaming sessions, and I hope you guys enjoy my live streaming sessions, guys. And if you guys have any other questions about the market, or if you guys have any other questions about your trading or any problem from your trades alone, I'm happily here to answer any of your doubts or your questions, guys. Alright, so for now, let us try to see. So from what I'm saying, based on the most recent chart patterns, we are seeing that there's a very high selling pressure, and on the short term we could be actually seeing whether it could be breaking out of this before really actually deciding. But certainly if prices are unable to break out higher than this area around the higher side, around 31.23, 31.25, this could be a very good chances to see a good selling area here. So I'll be waiting for more confirmation on the short term, but certainly like I've said, on the long run, on the daily time frame charts, we have already been seeing a very good possibility that prices has been continue going higher with the ongoing issue that is facing around the world. And certainly gold has been able to benefit it the most, where it has been able to rebound around the support area at around 2,980 towards 3,000, that support area, and prices has been able to hit back towards the high that we are seeing at closing prices at around 31.33, which has already been hit earlier on Asian sessions this day, guys. Okay, so that's the view on the long term. On the short term, I'm still expecting that prices should remain going higher with no doubt, but on the short term a lot of things could happen, so I'll be waiting for more confirmations, especially around this area, guys. Okay, so if the weakness pattern do occur, I'm expecting prices should go the furthest around here before slowly going down if the weakness pattern starts to appear. If not, we'll try to wait for more confirmations and say, okay, right now could be a good time to do a sell. For now, I will be waiting. So I will type waiting sell area, guys. Okay, to get more confirmations. But certainly from the most recent price actions that we have already been seeing on the market, it seems that prices is unable to break out going higher. That's the case, and that's how I see it, and that is certainly a good thing on the market. All right, okay, prices has been quite slow. If it breaks down lower, we could be getting the confirmations that I am waiting on the market. If not, let us see how it goes, guys. All right. Alright, prices started to slow down. I could say that the sell area could be confirmed soon enough, guys. Okay, so be prepared. There could be some good chances appearing on the market on the short term. Alright, yes, so let us see. Prices has been reacting quite well, and definitely I'm looking and expecting a much better things happening on the market. Okay, so pay attention, guys. There's a good chances that we could see price weaknesses appearing on the market soon. I'll be waiting for the breakdown to be able to confirm that kind of market movement with you guys. Alright, okay, so if you guys are enjoying our live streaming sessions, you guys are welcome to give us the support by giving us a likes, giving us a thumbs up. It means a lot to me. And definitely, if you guys don't want to miss out the analysis that we are going to do for the remaining time, don't forget to follow and subscribe so that you guys won't be missing out on any updates that I'll be talking with you guys about it. Alright, so let us wait and see what are the movements on the other market together as well. From what we are going to see, what is happening on the silver market as well, guys. Alright, so what is happening on the silver market? So silver market has actually shown us this kind of market movement, but before that, I think I'll be touching on some on the long term side, guys, because actually yesterday I've already been discussing what is the possibility that could be happening on the silver market together. So if you guys take a closer look, that based on what I've been discussing, I'm expecting that prices would be hitting the high around $31.30 to $31.40, and today it has already hit those numbers and then started to slowly going down. So it's actually been in line with our view on the long run. So the rebound has happened, and right now I'm expecting prices to continue to go lower if there's no new good sentiments happening around the market, and certainly price reactions on silver hasn't been able to follow through what has been happening on the gold market. So with that, I'm still expecting that the silver market will be highly in sideways market for a long time, unless something changes on the market on the silver side or any other good sentiments that could really help to push up silver prices. So yesterday we have actually been sharing some good insights on our private signal channel here, and we have already been able to make the buy here the low and TP around here the high. So definitely we've already been doing some good trades as well. So just letting you guys know, silver private signal yesterday hit TP3, and yesterday we do our buy at around $30.30 and TP at $31.30. Yes, okay. Okay, so yesterday we've already been doing some good trades here. Silver private signal, which has already been doing very well and in line with our view, guys, around this high and then slowly going back lower. So right now with the price weaknesses appearing as well on the silver market, I'm expecting the same thing will also be happening on the market, where if this breaks down, we could actually be getting the confirmations that we need happening on the market, and prices should remain going lower afterwards, guys. Okay, so definitely I would say that you guys pay attention. There could be some good chances to do a sell signal after prices on the silver market has already been going down lower. Okay, alright, so let us see. On the short term, I've already told you guys there's a little bit of market weaknesses also appearing on the silver market together with what has been happening on the gold market. So I'm expecting the same scenario also happening on the silver market. So there's a potential weaknesses, and silver market could be having a good selling area here, especially if the breakdown is started. We are likely to see a good possibility to see prices to go higher next, guys. Alright, so I'm seeing this possibility happening on the market with you guys. Alright, so a breakdown happening, we could be actually seeing the possibility to do a sell area around the silver market. Okay, okay, so if you guys wanted to get more information about how we are communicating, how we are doing our analysis, and any updates from us, you guys are welcome to check out my profile and get more information from us by checking out our profile, and click on the link to join our channel. It's all for free for you guys, and there's no need to pay, and you guys could get a lot of information from us, guys, and definitely signals as well. So might as well check it out, and maybe there's some good things that you guys could be benefiting out of us, guys. Alright, okay. Alright, so let us see what is happening back on the gold market. Maybe we could be making some good moves over there as well. Alright, and if you guys do have any other questions about the market or anything about the market or your trading problem, you can let me know, guys. Okay, so let us see what is happening on the gold market. Okay, prices hasn't been moving well, hasn't been breaking down lower, so I'm still waiting for confirmation, guys. As I've said, a possible good area to do a sell is around the high, but I'm still waiting, guys, since prices has been able to hold on and hasn't been able to break down lower. So I will be waiting around here, guys. Alright, so I'll be waiting, and certainly, like I said, there's a good chances if prices are unable to break out higher and prices should remain weaker, there's a good chances to do a sell area around here, the high. Okay, for now, time isn't the US market session yet. We are still on the dawn of the US market session, so there will be certainly a lot of time to see how the market reaction works before we could actually see how the market reaction works. All right. Overall, the trend has still been very clear, and let us see how the market movement works next, guys. Okay. Okay. So yesterday, actually, on our VIP classes, we do actually give out some good recommendations on live streaming sessions, and I hope that you guys don't miss it out, because I already told you guys after our live streaming sessions here, I'll be also doing a VIP live streaming sessions, and on there we are sharing a lot of good information and a good discussion about what is happening on the market, and certainly a lot of other topics that I couldn't be sharing here because there's limitations. So definitely, if you guys wanted to join those VIP live streaming sessions, and it's all for free, guys, you guys can immediately check out my profile, click on the link and chat us if you guys wanted to get access towards those VIP live streaming sessions. Because if I'm showing you guys yesterday that we do our buy area here, and we are already been profiting quite well as well. So yesterday we have already been making some good profit as well together on the live streaming sessions with our VIP live streaming sessions, and it has been quite a good trade as well. So I hope that you guys don't miss that out, and definitely it's all for free, and you can get access to it by just contacting us through our link upstairs on our profile, and you can immediately get access to this kind of VIP classes, especially during the night times. There will be a lot of good market movements and entering the US market session, guys. So just a short information and a notification for you guys. Okay. Alright, for now I'm expecting market movement will be a bit slow. I'm still not getting yet a confirmation, so I couldn't see the direction for now. And let us see what is happening on the other market side, guys. Alright. So if you guys love what you guys have been hearing at, and you guys think you guys wanted to get this kind of information more on the future, don't forget to follow us, subscribe, so that you guys don't miss out on any information that I'll be sharing with you guys every day. And you can certainly support us by giving us your likes and thumbs up. It means a lot knowing that you guys do love what we are sharing with you guys. Okay, so right now prices has been quite stagnating. There hasn't been a lot of good market movements. It's a bit slow, I understand it. I'm expecting price movement will be a bit bigger later on. So like I've already told you guys, be patient, guys. Okay, because personally I'll be waiting to see how the market reaction works later on. Okay, so I think we've already been discussing what is happening on gold, what is happening on the silver, and I'll be waiting. But next I'll be talking about the most important aspect of the trading side, where gold and silver are highly correlated with this trading pair, and it's happening coming out from the US dollar index, guys. Because on the sorry guys, so on the other side of trading, we do see that they are XAU or XAG, but behind it you have the US dollar, and certainly it's very important to understand what is happening behind the US dollar index that could really impact how the market movement is between the gold and the silver market. And so that's why I think it's very important for us to take a closer look at both for those kind of market movements, because certainly there will be a lot of impact coming up from there as well. Okay, so later on we'll be trying to look at the market and see how it goes later on. Alright, so for now I haven't been able to see a lot of good market changes happening, and I'm expecting to see further reactions before I could really say, okay, prices seems to go down for now, prices will be weakened. For now I'm still waiting for those kind of confirmations coming out from the market, guys. Okay, alright, so if you guys haven't known me yet, I'm Steven. I'm doing long-term trading, and I will be looking at the market with you guys every day, sharing insights and analysis about what is happening on the market and what you guys could be doing out of the market analysis that we could be sharing with you guys. Alright, so let us watch and see what is happening in this 1 hour and 30 minutes live streaming sessions, and you guys could definitely see what you guys could be getting out of us, guys. All right. Okay, so it seems prices started to slow down. That's the case. Prices are showing some good improvements that prices will be further weakened. Both gold and silver could actually be giving us some signs. Like I said, I'm still waiting because prices has been stagnant. If it breaks down lower, this could be a very good case, guys. We could be seeing a greater market movement happening on both gold and silver. Okay, for now, it has still been stagnating. We are waiting for further confirmations. And if you guys have any other questions about your trades, you guys definitely could let me know on the comments, guys, because I'm happy to help you guys if you guys do have any other questions about the market. Okay, prices started to drop. This is a very good sign, guys. Hope you guys are not missing out on this market movement because price reaction has been quite well. Waiting for the price drop, try to see it rebound, and maybe we could start doing some good trades coming up from here, guys. All right, some good chances could be appearing now. Pay attention, guys. There could be some good chances appearing. Okay, prices started to rebound, giving us a little bit better entry point to do the sell area, guys. Okay. Okay, so prices started to drop. These are your good chances, guys. Okay, so guys, prices started to drop, and I hope that you guys don't miss out the chances. We are seeing how the market has been moving, and this could be one of your chances to see how the price reaction works later on. So prices has been moving quite well, and I believe the same thing should be happening on the silver market as well. Okay, silver market has also started to move. Very good signs, and certainly prices has been quite slow, but overall still a good signs to see prices to continue going back lower. Okay guys, we'll see further reactions happening soon. Prices started to slow down, it's market movement, certainly that will be the case, but price movement hasn't been that well. There's a possible topping phases happening on both gold and silver. Alright, so I'll be leaving it to the market to move guys, and we'll see how the reaction works later on, but certainly I'm still very much optimistic to see a good possibility happening on the market, where we are going to see at least market hitting back towards 3110 in the near future, where there's still a lot of selling pressure experienced here guys, and there's no signs of slowing down for now. So I'll be expecting this kind of market movement. Alright, so I'm actually very much interested to see what are your thoughts about the market. So okay, so I'm very much interested to see what are your views on the market for tonight. Are you guys thinking that gold could be going higher than this barrier, or could it be going lower? So you can let me know by typing A or B based on what do you see on the market guys. So if you guys think that the market could be going down, you guys could type A on the comments, and if you guys think that the market could be going higher, you guys could type B on the market guys. Okay, I'm very much interested to know what are your views and what are your thoughts about the market, and I'll be very gladly to discuss what are you thinking about that on the short run, and what is the main reasons that you guys thinking that is happening on the market. Alright, so can you let me know guys? I'm very much interested to see what are your views on the market. Okay, so for now, gold, silver are on the same spot, waiting for further confirmations happening on the market, and we'll see how it goes from there. Okay, so now let us discuss what is happening on the US dollar index market. I think we have already been missing out some chances to speak about it, but let us go through it again, because the trend hasn't been that further change on the market guys, because the US dollar index has been moving lower, so to speak. On the longer time frame, as you guys could see, not much changes has been happening since then, and we are still seeing that the US dollar index still managed to go down lower and lower with no signs of any recovery, because market has been that terrible on the US dollar index side, and I'm not seeing any signs of any recovery that could be happening on the market for now, with how the market has been moving, and certainly with a lot of issues are still on hand, I'm expecting that the US dollar index will further remain weakened for now. And from there onwards, I'm still thinking that a lot of trades against the US dollar index could be a very interesting market trades, guys, because with this kind of market movement, you could actually be looking at a good possibility that the market could be going lower for the US dollar index, and a lot of trading assets could be very much beneficial against it. So for instance, if you guys are trading against other forex pairs, certainly this could be a very good trade. And if you guys are trading against gold, silver, this could be highly beneficial. But for now, the correlations on the long run has been quite screwed with a lot of things happening on the market. So definitely on the short term, we are not going to see the correlations happening. But on the long run, we could be seeing a high chances of where we are going to see gold and silver will be much more beneficial coming out from the market. So over the last few days, we are still seeing that it has been unable to break out higher than 103, which is the support area for US dollar for almost a total of a month, beginning from 6th of March until 3rd of April, before we started to see the Liberation Day started, and we see that the US dollar index has been dropping. So that is still one of the cases where we are seeing that the US dollar index hasn't been able to turn around and have a reversal, but instead we are seeing that prices should remain going down further, weaken and weaken, with no signs of changes happening on the market soon, guys. Okay, so that's one of the very first things that I'm looking at. Prices are unable to break out of the resistance, and it looks like will be continue to go lower on the market as well. So with this kind of market movement, I'm expecting that on the short term, we are still going to see a lot of pressure. If I'm switching towards the 15-minute time frame charts to show you guys that since yesterday, there are no signs of improvement happening from the US dollar index, and I'm expecting prices to go further down, weaken. But for now, it seems that there's still some support area at 101.5. But on the long run, I'm still expecting that prices should remain and going down lower and lower with no changes on site, guys. Okay, so definitely on this kind of market occasions, we still do see that there will be a small rebound, but the overall trend will still be going down lower, guys. Okay, so what do you guys think on this US dollar market? Do you guys think that the US dollar index will be going down, or it will be, or will it be going higher, guys? Okay, so can you guys let me know what are your thoughts? Are you guys saying that US dollar will be going up or it will be going down, guys? Okay, so for now, I'm expecting the same thing. So prepare for the worst case scenario, guys. Certainly that's what I always see from trading market. And with no signs of return, if you guys are switching your view towards the currency strength charts, it's been very clear that the safe haven currency has been going stronger with no signs of slowing down, guys. Okay, so that's one of the very first key things that based on the weaknesses appearing on the US dollar index, I'm still expecting those kind of market movement happening, where we are likely to see that the currency market will be benefited a lot, guys. Alright, so definitely the safe haven currencies are the ones who has the most to benefit coming out from this market, okay? because with this kind of market movement, it's very much expected to see the possibility that safe haven currencies will be benefited the most, and with weaknesses still appearing here, we are still seeing that USD CHF is going down lower, USDJPY is going down lower, and definitely Euro USD will be going stronger, together with almost all single every currency that we are looking at the market are also going stronger for tonight, guys. So certainly this is a good case where we are still seeing a good possibility happening on the market, where prices should remain under control. And definitely, like I said, USD CHF has been going down lower, and it's going down a lot, guys. And USD JPY tonight, I believe it has been going down lower as well, with no signs of changes happening on the market. Also, if you guys check out and pay attention carefully, that almost every single pair that is against the US dollar index today has been going weaker, and definitely those currency has been benefited a lot. So as you guys could see, the trend is very clear. All currency pairs against the US dollar has benefited a lot today, guys. Okay, and since the price reaction has been quite much, I'm expecting a short rebound could be happening, guys, because after quite some times, market movement will be a bit slower after such a huge market reactions coming out of the market, and it is very common to see market started to having a small rebound before continue going lower, guys. Okay, so I hope you guys are enjoying and understanding what we have been sharing with you guys, and if there's something that is unclear, you guys could let me know, and I'll be happy to clear things out for you guys, so you guys could understand it even furthermore. But overall, the main conclusion still remains the same. Today, US dollar has been weakened against all currency, so Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc, Euro, Pound Sterling, GBP, as well as the Japanese yen market as well. But after such a huge decline, we are still seeing a possibility of a small rebound before continuing its original market movement of today, which is going down against the US dollar index for today. Okay, so if you guys have been enjoying what you guys have been hearing, you guys could definitely give us your thumbs up, give us a support, because definitely we are doing our live streaming sessions every day, and I hope you guys have been getting some insights about what could be possibly happening on the market, and hope you guys could make some actions coming from the insights that we have been sharing with you guys since we started, guys. Alright, for now, gold has been unable to go down lower and has remained quite stagnant, guys. So as you guys could see, not much of a change, but certainly this is a very good sign, because with this kind of market movement, we will be seeing that there's a good chances after a consolidation happens, what will be happening next is we are going to see that it has been unable to break out higher and will be continuing doing so. But let us see, let us wait, let us see. But the overall market movement has been going towards tilting towards the weaker side, guys. Alright, so if you guys love what you guys have been hearing, you can give us your support by giving us your thumbs up, give us your likes, and it means a lot to me and us. And if you guys wanted to get more information from us every day, you can follow us and subscribe so that you guys don't miss out any information from us, so that you guys could be getting information out of us every single day, guys. Alright, for now it seems that prices will be remaining going quite slow, because we haven't entered the US market sessions, and it's very normal to see that the market will be quite slow around these hours, guys. Okay, so it has been quite expected, and we are still thinking about the possibility to see a slower price reaction happening during these hours, guys. Alright, maybe in another half hour we could be seeing the true market movement happening, which could be quite drastic. Usually that will be the case, guys, and let us see from there, guys. Okay, and definitely if you guys have any other questions, you guys could let me know, and I'll be happily answering any of your questions. And definitely we have already been doing a lot of analysis today, from the commodities market towards the currency market, and I hope that you guys have been enjoying our live streaming sessions, because otherwise you guys would have been missing out on a lot of good analysis and a lot of key details that we have been sharing with you guys. Okay, so if you guys are late, you guys don't want to be missing out on the next live streaming sessions, you guys could definitely follow us and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys that you guys are not missing out on any good chances that we are sharing here. Alright guys, so price action has been quite good. Market movement definitely right now is a bit slow, as I've already told you guys, and be prepared to be patient guys. Definitely trading around this market time will be a bit slower, but later on you guys could see why we are doing this, and you guys could definitely see what's the benefit of doing so on the market. Okay, so let us see. Price reaction has been slow, but price has still been weakening. That's the case from what I could be seeing right now on here. This is a very good sign guys, certainly. Okay, so prices have been doing well, has still been slow. Definitely we'll be trying to take a look at the other markets, see how the market reaction has been working guys, okay? Because definitely it will be moving towards that directions, and we are going to see some good reactions coming on the market guys, alright? Okay, alright, so let us see. Next is okay, so definitely weaknesses appeared on the silver market, which has already been touching the low at around $30.69. So that is actually quite a great market movement, but prices started to have a slight rebound, as you guys could see, and we'll be seeing how the market movement reaction works later on. But certainly this is a very good case where price reaction has been going slower and has already been weakening, and definitely a rebound is due. But overall the market trend is still very clear. We are likely to see weaknesses started to appear on the market, and probably we are going to head around the lows around the yesterday's breakout level guys, around here. So this could be a very good case. Let us watch and see how the situation unfolds, because there's a good chances to see prices to continue go down weaker again guys, alright? So don't miss out on these chances guys, and let us discuss what has been happening on the oil market guys. Okay, so like I've said guys, yesterday I'm expecting a rebound, which has already happened and happening quite fast guys. Okay, so if you guys take a closer look, that what has been happening on the oil market is prices has been going down pretty fast and hasn't shown any signs of slowing down on the oil market. And since going down lower, we have already been looking at a good possibility that with this kind of weaknesses, there's good chances to see prices to go back higher. But definitely it won't be a big rebound on the market guys, on the oil market. I'm expecting that the oil market should be going quite slow. Certainly that will be the case, and a reversal won't be big, it will be just a slight rebound, and we are likely to see oil prices should remain under a huge pressure guys. So after falling down from $78 at its highest, and right now we are already seeing prices touching even the lowest at $54. That is already the lows of 2021, so definitely that won't be a good case. But with such a huge decline, I'm at least expecting a rebound happening towards $63 the most, and then we are likely to see prices to start slowing back and going down lower, guys. So around $63 could be a very good case to see prices will start to rebound, and we have already hit $63 just for you guys to know, and prices have started to slow down and going back towards the $60 area, because there's still a lot of uncertainties happening in the market, and a lot of things could happen next. So the issue hasn't been resolved yet, intensifying geopolitical uncertainty. So after hitting near the $63 mark, prices started to go slow down, and I'm expecting prices to continue to go down even weaker, guys. But for now, since prices has been able to rebound here, maybe we'll be expecting a rebound near $61 before slowly going back lower on this oil market. Because for now, I'm still waiting for further confirmations, as prices has been quite slow around this hour. So I think we'll be getting the confirmations at later hours. Definitely that will be the case, guys, and we'll see how it works, because certainly I'm still seeing a very good chances to see all prices should remain under huge pressure going lower, guys. Okay, guys, so if you guys have any questions that you guys wanted to ask, or if you guys have any information or any doubts about your trades, you guys could also let me know, and I'll be happily discussing it with you guys as well. Alright, for now we're still seeing how the price reaction works, and it's definitely still quite slow, guys. Alright, so back towards the gold market. Alright, so gold market started to rebound, certainly that's the case, and this is actually not a very good sign, because we are very close to return towards the original prices that we have already been seeing for quite some times, guys. And what is happening on the gold market could also be happening on the silver market. So let us see. Prices has been moving, returning towards the higher side for silver market, and possibly we could be seeing the breakdown could be failing on the silver market. And on the gold market, there's a possibility we could be seeing prices getting the continuations of the trend, as prices hasn't been able to break down going lower. Alright, so there are good chances to see that this kind of prices could be slowly going back higher, guys. Okay, so there's a good chances of it happening, so we'll wait and see how the market reaction works next, guys. Okay, we'll see. Overall, the market reaction has been there. Good chances to see prices will start slowing down from here, because so far from what we have been able to see, this is just one candlestick movement. We need further confirmations, especially if it's able to break out of the resistance side on this market, guys. Alright, so I do see it's very important to see those kind of market action coming next. Otherwise, we could be seeing prices started to slow down again, going back lower, guys. Okay, the same case as what's happening on the silver market as well. Prices hasn't been that well, still going down weaker. That's the case. That's the market reactions that we are getting out of the market for now. So my view today, there will still be a lot of resistance area in both gold and silver market, so there could be some fake breakouts and then slowly going back lower, guys. But what are your thoughts, guys? Do you guys think that gold will continue to drop, or could it be continue going down lower, guys? Can you guys let me know what are you guys thinking on the gold market trades right now on your side? And I'm very much interested to see what are your opinions about the gold market reactions now. And definitely, if you guys have been enjoying our analysis through different trading assets, you guys are welcome to give us a support by giving us your likes and your thumbs up. It means a lot to me and a lot to us. And definitely, if you guys don't want to miss out on our analysis and don't want to be late for next time, you guys definitely could follow and subscribe, so you guys could be getting first-hand information from us, and you guys could be doing the trades on your side as well. So if you guys don't want to be late, you guys could definitely subscribe and follow us, guys. Alright, because there's a lot of things we have already been discussing, a lot of good insights on the short term, on the long term, what could be happening, and definitely a lot of good things has been said and a lot of things has been discussed together as well, guys. Alright, so if you guys wanted to ask something, you can let me know on the comments, guys, and I'll be happily to answer any of your questions and any of your doubts about your trading side, and I hope you guys could be getting some solutions as well. Okay, so prices has been slow, certainly that's the case, but like I said, it has still a very strong resistance between this sideways range, and this could be a very good selling area again, guys. Okay, so after entering 1 hour live streaming sessions, we could be seeing that prices started to react, and certainly this could be offering you guys a very good entry point in the market, guys. So hope that you guys don't miss out on these chances again, guys. Sell area is already back there, and could be a very good entry point with a very low risk, high reward scenario on this market, guys. Okay, so don't miss out on this, guys. Pay attention. There could be good chances appearing on the market for now. Okay, so prices started to slow down. That's what I'm seeing right now. A very good case, and we are likely to see prices unable to break out of the resistance happening on both gold and silver, honestly speaking, guys. Okay, so I believe that most of you guys are still very much uncertain with about what is your view on the gold market. Since there's lack of response, I believe that you guys are a bit confused. Certainly around these hours, it's a bit slower, the market moving. So it's very normal to see this kind of market movement, guys. Alright, so be patient, but certainly from what I could be seeing, price reactions should be going down lower, guys. Alright, so I'm expecting there's a possible fake breakout, and then we could be seeing prices to continue going lower next, guys. Alright, so pay attention, this could be happening on the market. Fake breakout is very dangerous, and certainly if we could go through that, that will be a much better thing to do. Okay, okay, so market has been slow. Let us see what has been happening on the silver market. Prices are also slow, guys. Not much of a changes, but certainly with the weaknesses appearing on the silver market, I'm pretty much confident to see there's a good chances to see the weaknesses started to appear back on the silver market as well. Possibly could be giving a false breakout before going down lower as well, guys. Okay, so good chances to see this kind of market movement happening. Carefully watching how the market movement unfolds, guys. Alright, okay, so oil is also started to slow down. How about the currency market? Could be showing the same signs. Okay, so we are seeing that the US dollar index keeps on going weaken from what I could be seeing on a lot of currency pairs, and there's good chances that those kind of market movement actually impacts the current gold market movement for now. Okay, pressure started to rise a little bit on both gold, silver, possibly a fake breakout, guys. Let us watch, see how it unfolds. But certainly based on risk and reward, this is certainly still a very affordable trade, guys. So today, the best performing currency against the US dollar is actually appearing from AUD USD and ZT USD, guys. And since the market movement pattern has actually still been offering us a good entry point, I will be suggesting that this forex pair has been quite good, AUD USD and NZD USD. But the rest, I'm afraid it's already been a bit slower, where the market movement has been quite much on the market morning side on the Asian sessions, and definitely like this one has started to slow down. US dollar Japanese has also started to slow down. So certainly these are key markets that if you guys wanted to see the continuation, maybe this could be your shorts, USD CAD and USD CHF, guys. All right. Okay, so our VIP signal has been profiting, and if you guys wanted to get access to those trading ideas, you guys could immediately check out my profile, click on the link and get access to those signals, and it's all for free for you guys. Okay, so I hope if you guys have been enjoying our market analysis, but if you guys think I want something more, I want to get more directions, more guidance on my trades, you guys could definitely get those, and it's all for free for now, guys. Okay, so make sure that you guys take your chances now before you guys are too late to get those access for free. So you guys could check out what we are offering to you guys and how you guys could be profiting out of those trading ideas as well. So you guys are welcome to check out my profile for more information about that. And in a moment, I'll be entering my VIP live streaming sessions, and if you guys wanted to get access to those, where I'll be sharing more information about how I'm doing my trades, what are the most recent market actions, and any insights that I'll be sharing more on that, you guys could also check it out on there as well, because I'll be sharing more on those VIP live streaming sessions. And definitely, if you guys wanted to get access to those, I'll be welcoming you guys to join my VIP live streaming sessions. And don't forget that if you guys wanted to get those access, the only way that you guys could be getting it is through our profile. Click on the link and chat us that you guys wanted to join the VIP live streaming sessions, where I'll be much more open to talk about more topics to you guys as well. Alright guys, so I hope you guys don't miss out on the market informations that we have already been sharing. And if you guys don't want to miss out on the analysis that we have already been doing, we've been talking about gold, silver, oil, forex pairs, and a lot of things as well. So I hope you guys have been able to make some good market decisions based on our analysis, and hopefully you guys have been able to profit it out of our trading ideas as well. Is that right? Okay, for now, things has been doing quite well, I would say guys. Prices started to slow down a little bit. Could be offering a good entry point, like I've said guys, a false breakout happening, and it has been happening too as well guys. Okay, okay, so prices has been offering you guys a very good entry point here. Weaknesses started to appear on both gold and silver guys, so hope you guys are not missing out on these chances. And right now, as I said, prices have started to weaken on the higher side, which is a very good sign that the resistance area is still working and signs of weaknesses are still appearing on the market. Okay, so our view on today's market, NZD/USD has been doing quite well. Some good chances to see prices to go back higher on this currency pairs guys. So if you guys are love to trade those currency pairs, certainly AUD NZD/USD could be a very good trade, and we are still very much able to see that there's a very good chances to see price reaction will be moving faster here as well, because prices is unable to break out higher and higher. Good chances to see prices to go down soon guys. Alright, okay, I hope that you guys don't miss out the chances. Right now could be a very good time to enter trades guys, because right now we are almost entering the market US session. Soon enough, in another 1 hour, there could be a lot of good market movements happening soon guys. Alright, Alright guys, so my time on this live streaming session is about to end, so I definitely hope that you guys have been enjoying my live streaming sessions and get some important insights about what I'm seeing on the market. But if you guys think, okay, it seems like it's very interesting to get insights from you on the technical side, but what about what is happening on the world right now? What is happening on the fundamental side that could really affect the technical market, how the market is moving? Certainly there is, guys, but certainly since I'm live streaming here, I couldn't be saying too much. But if you guys wanted to get more information about that, you guys are welcome to join my VIP live streaming sessions. And if you guys wanted to join those, it's for free for temporary time. So if you guys wanted to get those access, you guys also welcome to check out my profile. Click on the link and chat us and say that you guys wanted to get access to those VIP live streaming sessions where I'll be talking more about what is happening on the market. And certainly it could be giving you guys a little bit of fresh insights about what you guys could be doing, how the market has been moving, and what you guys could be doing next in terms of your positionings, and definitely make some good trades out of it as well. I hope that will be the case as well, guys. Certainly, I hope you guys have been enjoying my live streaming sessions where we have already been touching on a lot of topics, and in a moment I'll be touching on the last topic we haven't been talking about, which is happening from the stock indices, and I'll be covering mostly only the US stock indices to give you guys a little bit of overview what is actually happening on the market and what you guys could be doing out of those markets as well. Alright, so in the moment, let us try to see what could be happening on the gold market movement together as well on what could be happening on the silver market movement, guys. Because both market movement has been actually quite similar and we are still seeing signs of weaknesses could be happening, pretty big and pretty huge of that possibility could be happening. So I'm still very much bearish for tonight on the short term, and I hope you guys have been able to see how the price reaction has been working and what you guys are looking at, how I'm doing my analysis, waiting for the right timing, waiting for how the market reaction works, and hopefully you guys could be getting some insights how I am doing my trades. And definitely I'm hoping you guys could be enjoying some of our analysis and insights together with you guys. Alright, so if you guys love what you guys have been hearing, you guys could give us a thumbs up, give us your likes. It really means a lot to me. And if you guys don't want to miss out on another live streaming sessions here on our public live streaming sessions, you guys are welcome to follow us, subscribe, so you guys won't be missing out on those market reviews that we are doing for you guys based on the long-term market movement, and definitely based on the short-term market movement, based on what you guys wanted to hear and what you guys could be using on the short term and what you guys could be using on the long-term market, guys. Alright, okay, so in a moment we'll be talking about what could be happening on the market, guys. Alright, so stay tuned, guys, and we'll be touching on the US stock indices soon enough, guys. Okay, so let us begin for our final session. What could be happening next? Okay, all market has been weakening, going down weaker, getting the confirmations, guys. Prices will remain slowly going down from what I could be seeing now on the oil market. So if you guys are curious what assets I'm looking at, is actually every time on this site you guys could be looking at what I'm looking on the trading assets, guys. Alright, so you guys could be checking out what I'm looking at and the current prices and what I'm putting in terms of support, resistance. You guys could be actually looking at those numbers as well, guys. Okay, so just in case you guys couldn't be seeing what I'm seeing, this is the clue. I'm looking at the trading assets here, And usually if you guys are looking at such a volatile market movement, I'm looking at a shorter time frame, at a 15-minute time frame charts, guys. All right. Okay, so let us see what is happening on the US 100. So first I'll be switching towards the longer time frame, the daily charts, and what's the possibility that the market could be happening on this market. So first of all, like I've always told you guys, I've already been expecting a short-term rebound could be happening next on the US stock market, and it has already been happening in quite such fashion, I would say, guys, because based on what the announcement has been coming out from the White House, we actually do see that the market has responded quite well about those announcements, especially at right on the midnight, and it's taking quite some time before we actually do see the market movement started to appear and come out on the market. But certainly this is a good sign where the reactions coming out from the market has been giving us a lot of good clues where the administration will be doing next on the market, and certainly that's a good thing. Why I'm saying that? Because after such a decline, like I've always said, based on the technical side, we are expecting market should be having a small rebound, but certainly it's very coincidence at the very same time, so we are seeing the market movement also happening after the announcement came out, and we started to see the rebound even surpass what I'm thinking at around 18,200. And during those numbers, it has already been weakening but started to rebound, going higher, with a lot of expectations being seen that this will be the continuations of the easing of the geopolitical tension coming out from the White House, guys. Okay, so definitely I'm still expecting a lot of good things could be happening next, and this could be our chances to see price actions, how it could be moving next on the market as well, guys. All right, so what could be happening next on the short term? So on the short term side, we do see that we are currently still facing a downtrend. That is a very clear thing that you guys could be see on this daily charts on the US 100 US stock indices, and we are likely to hit a high around 19,200, around 19,300, which has already hit those numbers yesterday and started to slow down. So our analysis and what we have been seeing on the long run has been quite accurate and has been quite in line with our view. But how about what could be happening next? So next, after hitting the uptrend, the downtrend upper channel, we are expecting that prices should be slowly going back towards the lower side first, and which has already been doing so, and I'm expecting prices should be able to hold itself above 18,200 before continuing to see whether there's any market continuation happening on the market, because this is a very important key. And if could be rebounding from here, we could actually be seeing that the US stock market could be building up a base, building up a consolidations on the lower side, and from there we could see prices started to go back higher on the US stock indices. So I'm expecting this kind of market movement started to hit the highs and then slowly going back here on the lower side at the most, and then from there I'm expecting prices to break out of the consolidations area, and that's what I'm hoping to see. But we definitely need a lot of more developments to see how the price reactions works later on, guys. All right, so on the short term, maybe I won't be saying too much, but certainly with the weaknesses has been appearing based on the short term side, this could be actually a very good buying area with a risk reward. I would say it's a very good thing to do a buy near the low side here, guys. All right, but for now, I think on the low side, or I will be waiting for the market sessions to start open, because usually volatility will be high and there could be a good chances you guys could be entering and getting a much better price at lower prices as well. So for now, I'll be waiting for my chances and see how it works next. But definitely with this kind of slow market movement, I will be expecting to wait for the market movement started to move much faster later on when the US market session opens in another 1 hour and 30 minutes, I believe. So I'll be waiting during those time to actually set my trades as well. So if you guys wanted to get how I'm seeking at the market later on, you guys are actually welcome to join our VIP live streaming sessions, where I could be talking about more ideas and more stuff which I couldn't be talking about here too much. And if you guys wanted to get access to those, it's for free for now. So make sure that you guys wanted to get access to those VIP live streaming sessions, where we'll still be taking a closer look on almost all of the other markets that we have already been discussing. And at the same time, you guys could also get what I'm thinking and what I'm seeing on terms of the fundamental side of the market. So you guys could be getting a clearer view what I'm thinking on the long term and what I'm thinking on the short term as well. So you can check out my profile to get access to signals, to get access to updates from us, and certainly access to our VIP live streaming sessions as well. So you guys are welcome to check that out. And certainly over the past 1 hour plus, I hope you guys have been enjoying our market analysis together and get some good insights about how the market has been moving. Certainly that's the case. And I hope you guys have been enjoying the live streaming sessions as well. And if you guys are enjoying it, you guys could definitely give us your thumbs up, give us your likes. It certainly means a lot, and I thank you guys very much. And definitely, if you guys have been missing out most of the live streaming sessions, make sure that you guys follow and subscribe so that you guys won't be missing out on the next live streaming sessions where we could be having a lot of discussions together here, guys. All right. Okay, prices started to rebound. We'll see how it works, guys, because we're almost entering the end of our live streaming session. So for further updates, I'll be letting you guys know on our VIP live streaming sessions, guys. All right. So if you guys wanted to get access to Signals VIP live streaming sessions, you guys are welcome to check out my profile. Click on the link and get those insights from us, guys. Okay. All right. Since we are just shy of a minute before we are ending, if you guys have any other questions, you guys could let me know. If not, I'll be ending the live streaming sessions, and I'll see you guys on the live streaming sessions on the VIP side. If not, I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow here on the same time on Friday, guys. Okay, so be prepared. On Friday we could be actually looking at a lot of good things happening in the market, where a lot of news will be coming out as well. All right, so I hope to see you guys here. If you guys don't have enough time to join our VIP live streaming sessions, guys. All right, so thank you very much and see you guys. Bye.